This video is about our manufacturing an 8-piece rock spa surround set for America's third largest spa manufacturer, Marquis Spa. Here are the two units on the shop floor. This one is a prototype that we molded, and this one was our first finished casting, which we created and shipped to the Aqua Show in Vegas. This clip is one of the first installations, but poorly done. Given an opportunity, I would have set the spa where it only had a stepping stone walkway to access it and would be heavily landscaped with plantings all around to give it a much more natural setting. In this clip, the spa cover is raised and removed, and the step was moved, allowing the rock access panel to be removed, allowing access to the equipment area. Okay, so now I just want to give a quick overview of the staining process. This process is just a 4-color, real fast and easy. The company wanted us to make a gray spa surround unit, and we've done that. So right now the guys are just putting on the orange, the first guy, and then Skylar's going to start with some black, and that's to give us a randomization throughout the project. That's the first 2 colors. Gray panels themselves is the color that the rock's going to end up with. So now we've got 2 colors on, orange and black, and that's going to give us, like I say, the randomization when we're all finished. The next thing Skylar's going to do is basically take a tannish, it's a whitish tannish color, and they're basically just going to skim the surface horizontally. That's what he's doing right now, and you can see some of that cream color that he's putting on. That brings out the texture of the rock, but it also adds another color. So that's color number 3. Now what he's doing is just speckling a grayish kind of color, which is a little lighter than the actual rock. And that kind of blends the other 3 colors that we just put on in to where you don't really see them standing out for themselves. And that's a finished unit. The only thing we got to do now is seal it. I'd now like to give you a quick overview of the unbelievably quick installation of this spa surround. This unit requires no fasteners, caulking, or touch-up of any kind for the installation, nor do we need a single tool for the installation. The only thing it requires is that we take 4 wedges and we stick the frame of the spa up 3/4 of an inch. That allows us to put the units, the 8 interlocking rock spa surround pieces, underneath the lip of the spa, and when we pull the wedges out, then the spa itself drops around. It's like a tongue and groove on the top of our panels, and it locks the interlock pieces together, and you cannot move them, and that's the reason it doesn't require any fasteners. Once the 8 interlocking rock sections of this spa surround are uncrated and unwrapped, it only takes 5 minutes for 2 guys to perform the installation complete. And that's, again, no tools, no fasteners, no caulking, nothing. There's nothing like it on the market. That's 130 square foot of rock that it takes no on-site time or materials to perform. So I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my video, and I get a lot of comments on stuff, and I really appreciate your support. If you've enjoyed this video, if you've learned anything, don't hesitate to give us a call if you need any questions answered. But like I was saying earlier, I really appreciate you taking the time. Thanks for watching. And if you liked it, please like, share, and subscribe. You all have a great day now. Thanks.